What's going on, everyone? I want to give you guys a simple strategy that you can use to help you pass prop firm evaluations and get those payouts. Now, again, trading is not easy. So before we go into the strategy and before we go into, counting money that we don't have, just understand, guys, no strategy is 100%. You will take losses. Some days will be much better than the others. Other days, we have to really worry about focusing on our emotions and our money management skills. But with that being said, what I'm realistically looking for, I'm looking at three moving averages: the 20 SMA, the 50 SMA, and the 200 SMA. Today, we had a nice gap up. Today is March the 24th. Now, on that gap up, what you would be looking to see is off the open, do you get any continuation through pre-market London session highs? Okay. Number two, you're always looking for the early trap to see if you can get some of those eager shorts who want to short the market and then see if you can reverse them. So in this particular case, we have a rising 20, a rising 50, and a rising 200 SMA. Okay. 5 minutes before the market opens, we're looking at the 5-minute chart too, by the way, guys. 5 minutes before the market opens, you can see we got a little bit of a gap between our 20 SMA and our 50 SMA. We get a closure below this 20 SMA, followed by a confirmation with a retest of this support system being the 50 SMA. Someone could have taken an opening drive, what we call in evolution traders an opening drive trade. By the way, guys, I got 2 spots available. I'm closing and discontinuing the community, but it's not because I don't want to do it anymore. It's just because there's too many people that I feel aren't going to get enough attention and coaching. So I'm just going to cap it off at another 2 people who join, and that's it. We're just going to end it for the year. With that being said, if you take a look at this short position here, you could have realistically taken a short. Again, all my trades, they're scalps. I'm not looking for 50 points. I'm not looking for 100 points. I'm realistically looking for 5 to 10 points, okay? I'm normally risking 15, 20 points on the NQ. I'm normally trading between 1 and 2 mini contracts. I'm normally closing out my trades between $150 in profit or $300 in profit. Okay. That just gives you kind of a background on what I'm doing. Taking this opening drive trade, again, we focus on this trade a lot in evolution traders, but it's taking out the prior swing low from pre-market. Okay. So you can look at this swing low. You can look at this swing low. As soon as you get below that, you want to get in, get out for 5 to 10 points. The real move was here, okay? Retesting the London session highs, which if I draw a line here, retesting those London session highs, which we broke them, and then waiting for your confirmation. Your confirmation is here in this candle. That's where you want to enter. This is where you want to enter and throw your money at the trade. So anytime you have a level, wait for it to break, okay? Wait for it to put in a new high or low, depending on if the trade is long or short. And then you're taking the following candle that confirms that price action. Okay, same idea. 5 to 10 points, get in, get out. You want to make more money? Load more contracts. Trade 5 contracts, you take 5 points. It's a $500 trade in a mere seconds, right? So again, you could essentially kind of wait for one of these trades, put on enough size, walk away for the day. That's what's going to get you to passing these prop firm evaluations, is taking legitimate trades, putting on enough size to where when you take that 1 trade or 2 trades, technically speaking, you can walk away on the day and focus on compounding the days. So again, what are we looking for? We are looking for short-term changes in trends. And the change in trend indicator that I'm looking at is a 20 SMA. I want to get below the 20 SMA. I want to scalp it short. I want to get above the 20 SMA. I want to look for confirmation. I want to scalp it long. 2 trades, 5 points each, 10 points out of the market, depending on your size. Could be anywhere between $200 and $1,000. It's all relative to the position size that you had on the table. Again, if you want to trade micros, maybe there was a $100 trade for you. Maybe it was a $50 trade. That's completely fine. Lock it up, move it along for the next day. What you don't want to do is you don't want to sit here for hours and hours on end, spreading out the risk of potential loss by taking a dozen trades. Again, you will lose trades. The whole focus and what makes this strategy, I guess I should say, or this system profitable, is your ability to walk away when you're green. If you can't walk away when you're green or slightly red, you will blow yourself up. Focus on that more so than taking a million trades a day, and you're going to do just fine. Apex is running 80% off sale. You can use code DAnthony. Also, make sure to hit the thumbs up button on this video so it gets out to more traders. And again, if you want to be the one of the 2 people to get into Evolution Traders, it's a lifetime membership. You get access to the community, access to my daily analysis, access to my courses. I've got 2 spots available. I've also cut the price at 50% for those last 2 people who want to join. It is what it is, and the team will be locked up from there. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.